Alright, so Shiba Inu is just about to make their first trillionaires. This is actually insane news, because this is the first time we're gonna be seeing a Shiba Inu trillionaire coming into play. Be sure to like the video, maybe you can be the next trillionaire for Shiba Inu. So what we can see so far is there's a lot of holders and there's big updates that came out today. So we can see someone holding 500 million coins. Someone has 7% of all SHIB coins, and that's simply crazy. You can see someone is holding, Binance is not even holding that much of an amount. Someone is holding 200 million, and when this reaches 1 cent, these people will be either super big billionaires or they will be trillionaires if they buy even more coins. So there have been a lot of updates that proves that a lot of people will be insanely rich from Shiba Inu. So with Shiba Swap being out, I think we have a lot more updates to talk about, so be sure to watch until the end. Going on the first thing. There is so much info today. When I woke up, you all wanted some big boy maths at this current rate of expansion and acceleration, assuming ceteris paribus, all things remaining the same, basically Aladdin world, SHIB army will be at 1 million holders in 38 days. Now, this calculation is simply off. It's gonna be faster than that. With Shiba Swap releasing, take it a day for an error, but it will be much faster because we're getting 10,000 new holders every single day. We're gonna be getting more holders pretty much soon, especially with Shiba Swap. A lot of people will want to come in even faster when we pull out all of these exchanges and transfer our Shiba into our wallets, MetaMask, Trust, or Shiba Swap. Exactly, my math can only assume all things remain the same. So we're only going to be having a snowball effect, and in the future we're going to be reaching 1 million holders, and after that 2 million holders and 3 million holders is going to be way easier, and we're going to be getting capped at 5 million holders, and that will increase the supply. The demand. The demand for this coin will be huge, and that's for a very simple reason. Billionaires are now buying Shiba, and that's driving the prices up. So nobody's talking about this, but Binance just bought another 8 trillion coins for SHIB. Crypto has been buying all day, so those big exchanges are investing into Shiba Inu. You can all check it on Etherscan, and even Sam Bankman-Fried has almost 9 trillion from FTX. Watch Etherscan, you guys. The whales are buying big. The whales are cashing in on Shiba. With all of these exchanges releasing, Shiba has a lot of potential. They know Shiba is bigger and has more users than Uniswap and PancakeSwap. They know Shiba is far more decentralized than most coins, including Doge, Uni, and Cake. We're a superior community and coin in many ways. Now, this will make some people insanely rich in the Shiba Inu community, so be sure to buy only one Lambo, because I'm pretty sure there will be Lambo shortages in the following years. For this, we shall be rewarded. The Diamond Hand Gang always wins in the end. Those who hold strong, those who do not sell at bottom, those are the ones that profit the most. And that's what I love. Now, what we can see so far is something very exciting. If we haven't won, it's not the end. And there's going to be many more updates. And what we can see, this is huge news if this is true. This means, big banks are buying trillions and trillions of coins, and they will be at some point multi-billionaires. Now, so let's make this perfectly clear. The community drives SHIB, not me, said the CEO. You want to make something big? Do it. But if you want to utilize our upcoming infrastructure, let me know. And, tweeting and talking with the CEO, he's open to every single project. Instead of listening to me, I caught flack. It's fine. I will continue to work on building a proper infrastructure, which is most likely the blockchain that's coming up, which will further increase the prices. This is coming into a big demand for Shiba Inu coin. We're seeing more and more demand so far. So we can truly be successful on a global term basis and not just another bad coin. This will shut up all the fudders and haters. We'll see we are played with. What's really interesting, people stopped FUDding after, the Shiba Swap proof came out. There was a lot of FUD, the price dropped. And after the Shiba Swap proof came out, people started buying massively. And then before you can blink, everyone who has so much talent and wants us to grow will get the opportunity to do so. I look forward to seeing all of you in an incubator. Aaron, I had to stop typing angry. So the CEO can get angry, but we are seeing big updates so far, and this will further increase the price. Let's talk about TikTok. It isn't my media of choice. I signed a trusted Shibian to lead getting a accounts on board for a unified front, and people are mad. And there's gonna be big marketing pushes as well. So this is gonna, make the rich even richer, and that's gonna make the poor rich. Everyone who came so early into Shiba Inu is seriously lucky, including you. Not financial advice. Many accounts are really Shibians. They push whatever. Look in their bio and you will see random tokens. So it goes angry or hacked. It looks bad for us. So I asked him to help and direct everyone to hit him up so we could move as a unit. So we're starting to become an army, and that's what's causing the prices to massively go up. The marketing is starting, and that is something I talked about yesterday. I think it's really important to know that we are just super early so far. This is a design that could happen in the future. Right now, with 200k holders closing in, we're going to be reaching 1 million. But Shiba Swap will also be a great project for the SHIB army. But does it mean it's the only project? No. I already talked about, having our own blockchain. I already talked about everything else. As long as you don't plan to implement a scamming business model, go ahead, assemble your team and be the catalyst of progress for SHIB. So there's going to be, multiple teams. There's probably going to be 10 teams working on each of its own. Maybe someone is going to be working, I don't know, on airdrops that are not going to be a scam. Someone is going to be working on another exchange for Shiba Inu that's only going to trade, SHIB Doge coins. And the SHIB army is not a group of passive holders. And that's really exciting from what I see so far. And World Bank actually talking about, having to accept Bitcoin as legal tender, and that will further increase the prices. Now, if we look at some articles, there have been big news media outlets, and there's a big prediction that institutional investors will start investing trillions into Shiba Inu or Leash. And that's really important to note. With SHIB having so much potential, they'd rather invest in SHIB than Dogecoin, than Ethereum, than Bitcoin. Yes, it's a less stable investment, but those who take the risk reap the rewards. And that's the complete truth. Now, we can also see Portugal grants first crypto exchanges operating licenses. And in the future, we shall see Portugal with Shiba Inu. Now, what we need right now for Shiba Inu to make you a trillionaire or to make you a billionaire is to simply put collaborate with countries in the future. The central bank announced that Cryptlogia and Mine the Coin will be able to operate in the country. The central bank and the official statement, the entity announced that it's recognized Cryptlogia and Mine the Coin as a virtual asset service provider. So it's happening, everyone. The adoption is happening. And you're here to witness it. The approvals came after nearly 9 months. So, these things take time. Cryptlogia first filed for approval in September, when Bitcoin was way up. It was a long way. In April, a bank executive confirmed that this time, Banco de Portugal received 5 formal registration requests and total of 60 informal contacts, according to a local media outlet. Now, we're going to be seeing, big exchanges coming in as official to the countries, being entities, not only on the internet, but also, having a first crypto bank. That's what's really exciting to me. Imagine storing, they're going to be decentralized banks. They're going to care about the privacy and everything like that. But Borg added the greatest adoption of crypto in Portugal is among the newest generation of traders. Also, the company will seek to promote the crypto ecosystem among the people of different profiles. So in the future, we could be seeing Shiba Inu collaborating with Portugal and its banks. And that's what's really exciting to me. Now, there's also some bad news why it might take some time for Shiba Inu to grow, but I just wanted to quickly scream through this one. The company is the latest UK bank to act to crack down on cybercrime, and they just banned outright, crypto, because there were happening a lot of scams. And Binance is a concern of that. In one day, 850 TCB savers reported losing funds from Binance accounts, and Binance hardly ever responds to allegations of customers fraud. The company is the latest UK bank to crack down on cybercrime. Spokesperson for Binance told the Times its responsibility to protect users from fraud very seriously. And Ether drops below 2K. Now, of course, I don't know if it's the right thing to just ban crypto. I think it's better to regulate it. But we saw Ether dropping below 2K, and then Bitcoin Wilts' Agricultural Bank of China reiterates crypto ban. So this is really good news for Shiba, really bad news for Bitcoin and Ethereum. This could be good that when in the future Shiba Inu could actually dominate the market. Bitcoin is trading 7% down near 33,000, and it's obviously dropping, and so is Shiba Inu right now. The statement, which is no longer available on the website, bolsters concern of a regulatory crackdown sending cryptocurrencies lower. The Fed unexpectedly brought forward by the timing of the first interest rate hike to 2023, and we can see so far they're cracking down on crypto. Its long-held crypto ban last month, citing danger associated with speculative trading. On Friday, cited the government intensified its crackdown on cryptocurrency mining by ordering the closure of 26 suspected cryptocurrency mining projects in Sichuan. But I think these, crypto miners can actually move to a different location. And for Shiba Inu, this is not a problem at all. You cannot mine Shiba Inu. It's on the Ether network, and that's what's really exciting to me. In the future, we're going to be having a lot of decentralized projects. Anyway, just wanted to get this news out there. Be sure to drop a like and see you until next time. Peace, everyone.